Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for our January Paycheck 1 closeout. I'm excited to be able to put some funds towards some different things, so let's check it out. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos about budgeting and all other things in designing the life of your dreams. And I'll see you all in a little bit. All right, let's get this filled in then. So we have rent. Oh, let's do our envelopes. And we know that was $300. Rent, that was $960. Just filling this in. Adobe, $35. Electricity, I put aside $100. I always budget $100 for electricity. Banfield, pet insurance, $50. Sinking funds, $92. Giving, $5. Cushion, $4. And school loans is $40. I'm still making payments on my school loans. So that equals, and now let's go in and put the actual numbers, which I have in my handy dandy notebook. So rent was $953.24. Adobe was $32.46. Electricity was high because it was cold, and I refuse to be cold. It's $89.32. Banfield is $49.90. Of course, sinking funds was $92. Giving was $5. Cushion was $4. School loans were $40. So that is everything. So that total came out to $1,565.92. Which gave me a rough total coming back of about $40. So we're going to move over to my second section here, which hopefully you can see a little. There we go. All right. And it says additional payments. And under additional payments, we have the amount. So that's going to be $40. And then I do these by percentages. So I'm doing 40% for debt, 20 for emergency, 5 for entertainment, 5 for business, 5 for technology, 15 for house. Singing bowls gets 5, so let me write that in. And then stocks gets 5. And this is all percent. So that's $16. Savings gets $8. Entertainment gets $2. Business gets $2. Technology gets $2. House gets $6. Singing bowls gets $2. And stocks gets $2. And that should be 40 with 0 left over. So now we have zeroed out and closed out our first paycheck for the half of the month. Now we get to the fun stuff because I gotta go and get the money and put this in the envelopes. So this one, check. Savings, so these are all ones that are going to be automatic balances. Entertainment we've done. All right, so we'll need to do business. Business gets 2, so I'll just go ahead and set those 2 so I can move those into my business fund later. Technology gets 2. So we'll set that aside for technology. 1, 2. And you'll have to excuse if you can hear the cat in the background. She's having a little fun time. Then we have house will get 15. Singing bowls gets 2, so let's go ahead and add 2 in there, and we'll need to update theirs as well. There we go. Singing bowls in my lovely little collection. So I switched some of these out so we'd have smaller bills. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97 for singing bowls. And go ahead and put that away. And then put it away. Singing bowls done. Stocks gets 2. I don't actually count stocks anymore. I have a page for it. I just don't really use it. It's got 20 in there, 22 now. And that's everybody. Fantastic. Put that away now, that 22. Put that away for the stocks. And let's go now to our technology section. Sinking funds, technology. Look at the messiness, y'all. This is real. There we go. Technology. I want to make sure I didn't mess up my nail. Should be at 82. Let's count that out. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 92. And 2 more gives us, did I still say 92? 82. 82. It's $82. So we're going to add 2. 84 total. I am having a time with these numbers, but I got those, so now they're done. And that's it. Really for everything that needs to be updated for the funds and for the extra payments for the closeout. So yay! All right. So like I was saying, we will have the February Paycheck 1 budget coming up soon, and then we'll have the closeout for January Paycheck 2, because I like to do 2 closeouts so I don't get confused. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching. Let me know how you like to do your closeouts for the month, what you do with any extra funds, if you roll that over, if you pay it on debt, if you put it into savings, like where does your extra money go once you get done closing out your budget. And I hope you're having a great day. I hope you take care of yourselves. I love you. Have a great one. Bye-bye.